Okay, I'm in the crawl, and just so you can see, like, here are those poly pipes. You can see them in the back there. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. So there's your supply lines. Most of them, it looks like they terminate into copper, but that's the piping he's talking about. So I know you can't tell here because this video in this little crawl space, but this is the dining room here. So this is what the inspector was talking about. He should have taken some pictures or something because it wasn't very explanatory. But so this is the corner here, like where the dining room would start, dividing up the living room and the kitchen kind of. You can see there's a footer all the way along there. It's all insulated. I'm not exactly sure why. I pulled the insulation back and there's concrete all the way up. I don't know if it's a solid concrete block, which would be insane, or if these are just big footers that are poured. But you can see the flooring is sitting on plywood with 2x4s. The way those 2x4s are sitting make me think that that might be a huge concrete slab, but that would be like a 3-foot deep patio slab, which is also crazy. I honestly don't have any idea what's going on there or why it's built this way. I wouldn't necessarily be concerned about it, but that's not for me to say. If you guys have questions or want to be concerned, you might hire an inspector to come over and take a closer look, or even call back the original inspector, and he probably could answer some questions for you, or he might charge a nominal fee to come back and take a closer look and give you his opinion. I don't know why it's set up like this. If this footer here were the original height of the patio would be 2.5 feet below the surface of the house. So it's a little odd. But beyond that, you can't really tell. But this is a decent crawl. There's a little bit of space. It's got a vapor barrier. It's warm down here. I don't see any. There's no standing water. I don't even see any sign of water. But anyhow, it's a decent crawl. I think it's pretty nice, considering.